I'm about to show you how you can download and play the new beta or the new updated version on R.E.P.O. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So as you can see right here, if we go to the official R.E.P.O Discord server, we can see there is a new category named beta, and right here you will see all the information about this beta. So if you want to know all the information about what this beta includes, or you want to talk with people about the content of this beta, or you can also report bugs or give feedback, you can do that right here on the Discord, and you can see everything that they have changed for this version. So those are all the new features we can try on this updated version, and after all the update and reporting all the bugs, they will update the game to create a new version with those features and maybe even more. So if you want to play this beta, all you need to do is go to Steam, then go to your library like this and search for R.E.P.O. Now if you right click it and go to properties, you will see this option that says betas and beta participation. So as you can see, I have it as none right now, but if you click right here, you will see the new beta open test, which is this one. You just need to click there, and now you can just close this. And as you can see, you have the new update right here. You can click on update, and this will make the game update, and you will have the new version. So after a few seconds, it will update. And now, as you can see, it has completed, and I have the beta version right here, and I could just play by clicking this button. So I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.